Can you bin these?
No,
They're so rank. These are putrid.
That's the colour though. It's a seatbelt.
It actually is.
You have two.
I have two. This explains what I mean by being a hoarder. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing something a little bit different, which I'm sure you can tell by the title of the video. But as you know, a lot of people are stuck in self-isolation or self-quarantine for the next like 14 days, and that is us included after going to Bali. So we thought we would spend the weekend decluttering our house, because what better time to do it than a time like this? And our house, it really needs like a declutter. We've lived in this apartment for 2.5 years now, I think it's been, and we have not touched our cupboard since. So we have like a mini walk-in wardrobe. It's the tiniest walk-in wardrobe ever, but it's also the only storage space we have in this apartment, so it's looking really feral. I'm actually quite embarrassed to even show you guys what it looks like, but I feel like once you see us actually cleaning it and then like the after, it'll look so much better. But I feel like I need to show you the real before, otherwise I'd be lying. So through this door is our little wardrobe, and I'm about to show you how disgusting it is. Take a deep breath. I don't think I've ever shown the inside of our cupboard. I mean, why would we? But that is what it looks like. This is my side here, and this is Andy's. Andy is way neater than me. I know that's like stereotypical that usually the woman's cleaner, but no, Andy is like a neat freak, and I love him for it because I am quite messy. But Andy's is all hung up nice and neat. Mine is also hung up, but then if you go to the ground, that's a whole heap of my stuff on the ground, like shoes and clothes, and yeah, this is like giving me anxiety even showing you guys. And then obviously, as you can see up the top, I actually can't reach the top shelf, so it's just like random things that I feel like half that stuff is going to get thrown out. But basically, as you can see, there's a lot of crap in here. So I'm going to get the big camera and put you guys on a tripod, and we're basically just going to start decluttering.
I'm just going to go through the shadows.
What are we starting with? Up top?
Up top.
We're starting with the up top section first. Can you bin these?
No, these are so comfortable.
They're so rank. I've never seen you wear them. Oh, thank you.
This is vomit.
Ugg boots. You're not Australian unless you own some Ugg boots.
This is a big problem.
Alright, now wow.
Is that wedding things?
Yeah, that's my hands thing.
Oh. It's not bad. Oh, that's useful.
See, literally all of this will go in the bin. Hey. It actually suits you. If only it wasn't hot pink, but you should get one like that.
What's wrong with hot pink?
That looks cool. Okay,
Oreo's wrecking everything.
Do another toy?
This is cute.
I knew I had a black backpack. Remember, I was going to buy one at TK Maxx the other day, and I was thinking, I knew I freaking had one. Is this your shirt?
That's another shirt.
Oh, because you were like looking for one. These are putrid.
That's the colour though.
That is gross. What is that colour?
It's a light grey, Britt.
Ooh, blazer. This make me look like the boss woman?
Yep.
It's probably spiders in it or something. Do I keep or do I throw?
Do I keep or do I throw?
I asked you first.
Throw.
Throw?
I think so. When are you going to ever wear that?
Don't know. This is in the maybe pile. I haven't figured it out yet. They're back in fashion now. Even with like a pair of shorts with that would be cute. Don't care? Cool. Even these shirts are back in fashion, like the oversized white button up. I was going to buy one of these at Target the other day.
Those crinkles are never coming out. The crinkles have crinkles.
I'll stop it. Guys, I just found these belts that I reckon I wore in maybe grade 7, which you're probably like 12 or something. Please tell me if anyone remembers these. I don't even remember how to wear them, but I think you used to wear like short tops and you'd put it in the middle. I don't know. Just...
It's a seatbelt.
It actually is a
You have
seatbelt.
two?
I have 2.
Do they stretch?
Yeah. Ooh. A hula hula. Oh, I got 2 of these too, Andy.
A leg?
A leg? How do you even do it? I don't know. This explains what I mean by being a hoarder. Alright, so first step was just clearing this whole top shelf. But whoever built this apartment built it so weird in my opinion, because the space between the shelf and the roof is so big, yet you can't really reach it. Like, my hands are just touching it. Like, no one can utilize this space. So weird. But it's nice and clean. Let's see if we can keep it that way.
Let's see if you can keep it that way.
No. Time to chuck the shoes. Like, when was the time I would have ever wore these? Alright, so far everything has been taken out of the wardrobe. We vacuumed it, cleaned it all up. I really don't know who decided to put a water tank in a wardrobe. Literally what? But yeah, this is it all clean, and now we're gonna put our crap back in it. Are you sleeping? In your little cat carrier? That is so cute. My biggest thing is that I also don't really know what to do about things like my wedding dress. Well, this is my reception dress, and I still have my actual wedding dress. And they're too dirty to sell, but also like I don't want to just chuck them out, so I don't know what to do with it. Any ideas, guys? What should I do with my wedding dress? Okay guys, it's been a few hours since I last vlogged, and to be honest, our house is looking quite a little bit dirtier than before, but we still have to go downstairs and throw out a ton of stuff. But I thought I would show you guys the finished product at the moment. I still think there's maybe a few things we need to do, like get a few more tubs and stuff to put stuff in. But obviously not being able to leave the house, we can't really do that at the moment. But this is the current state of our... what's this called? Wardrobe. Sorry about the lighting, by the way. The light up in here is a yellow one, but I'll turn you around. So basically this is now the view when you walk in, nothing on the bottom pretty much. And at the top, it's just a few necessities. So let me walk you through it. Basically to the left, I have my fan, because unfortunately it doesn't fit like outside of the cupboard. So it's just kind of hiding away because I get really, really hot when I sleep. So I pretty much just pull it out and put it on me when I go to bed. But just for like, to keep it out of the way, I put it in the cupboard. And then I've tried to color coordinate my clothes a little bit. So we're going from white. We've got some like yellow dresses, pink, red, green, black. And I think the thing that's taking up the most space in the cupboard is all of my jackets. So I have like all of my like activewear jackets, a couple of different raincoats, some leather jackets, and then some like nicer coats at the back. Where are they? Like the trench coat ones. That pretty much takes up half my railing, but I don't really know where else to put them. So unless you have any suggestions on where I could maybe hang all my coats, please let me know, because it would look so much better without this being too full. And then Andy's just got all of his casual t-shirts and then work shirts hanging up here. And then above we have a few boxes. So this one has scarves and like gloves and stuff for winter. This one has caps and stuff for summer, and this one has my bikinis. And at the back are just some of Andy's shoes. And then up here I have a few of my nicer shoes, just because I thought this looked really bare without anything. So let me know, should I make it bare or should I keep my heels there? And then under my clothes I also have another little basket for like my random shoes and sneakers and sandals. So yeah, that's basically where I'm gonna leave the video today. Andy's over here. How do you feel now?
Better.
Better?
Yeah.
He actually has to get dressed in this cupboard every morning while I'm fast asleep. Literally, I'd say a meter away from him. And as you saw before, there is no floor space whatsoever because we had, or I had, stuff thrown everywhere. So the poor guy could barely get dressed in the cupboard. So now he has a lot more space to get dressed here. But yeah, and hopefully when we can leave the house, we might be able to pop over to Kmart or like Big W or something and get a few more storage things. Maybe like a vertical shoe rack or something. I'm not really sure, but yeah, that's kind of all we had in our house at the moment. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Hopefully it gave you something to watch whilst probably in self-isolation as well, and maybe it'll give you some motivation to declutter parts of your house as well. Next we're on to the second bedroom, and we also did the bathroom this morning as well. So definitely decluttering this whole house of ours while we're in this quarantine period. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we will see you in the next one.
Wait.
Bye.